Hi everyone, I want to talk to you about a topic that's really important to me, and I think that people today are getting some misinformation, and that's hair loss for women. First of all, hair loss for women can occur at any age, and it's very common. In the United States alone, 35 million women suffer from hair loss, and there's a lot of solutions that we have. It can be medical therapy, whether oral or topical. There are growth factors, laser therapy, and we even have hair restoration surgery. One thing that's very important that I think is very misleading today is a lot of women think that FUE, the procedure where we shave the back of the head and take the hair from one at a time, is the right procedure for women. And I'm here to say that it absolutely is not. By definition, FUE thins the donor hair in the back of the head. I don't know many women who want to first shave the back of their head and secondarily want to thin the donor hair in the back. The best procedure for them is the MDEV procedure, where we take a strip of tissue. It's an ellipse that's microscopically dissected under the microscope into individual units. We suture that area together so that you can't tell that anything's been removed from the back of the head. So immediately post-surgery, the back of the head looks exactly as it looked as you walked in that day. That gives us the best quality hair, and then we can individually place those units into the areas that are thinning or that have lost hair.